Zdravo svima! U današnjem videu ćete vidjeti 5 creepypasta likova snimljenih kamerom u stvarnom životu. Vjerovatno ste svi čuli za likove poput Slendermana, Rejka, Jeff the Killer i slično, pa da krenemo. Ovo je jedan od najpopularnijih videa o creepypasta likovima snimljenih kamerom. Ovaj video navodno prikazuje Jeff the Killera. Kamerman navodi kako njegov pas u zadnje vrijeme neprestano laje i nije siguran zbog čega. Kada jedan od njegovih pasa počinje ponovo da laje, on kreće u istragu.
He's on the guard and he can't hear very well. It's not the first time we've been hearing noises like this. It's been a long time. You can see everything's pretty fucking old. But oh shit. Holy fucking, oh my god, dude. This is fucking blood? Dude, that's fucking real blood, dude. Holy fucking shit. Oh, dude, fuck this. Oh shit! Cierra la puerta, pa.
Ovaj video je zabilježen od strane par momaka koji su se zabavljali na trampolini kada su ugledali Rejka u neposrednoj blizini. Pogledajte.
We're just out here on trampoline.
Dude, what is that?
What?
What is that? What the heck is that? Oh my. What the heck is that, dude? Oh, dude, that tag is coming a little bit closer. Oh, crap, it's just scream. It's just scream. Okay. Dude, it's coming! It's coming! Let's run!
Run!
It's coming!
Oh God, Jesus!
U njihovom drugom videu može se vidjeti njihov pas kako laje na to stvorenje, ali mu se ne smije približiti.
That thing again. It's a thing again, look. On into the woods.
Jedan youtuber je otišao u šumu kako bi istražio kuću za koju je čuo da je ukleta. Unutra je pronašao krv.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Kasnije je neka muzika počela da svira, za koju je kasnije saznao da je povezana sa creepypasta likom Smijajući Jack.
that stupid music? Fun of the lawnmower too. What the?
Na početku ovog videa se spominje da je Salina mama na rehabilitaciji i Sally je odlučila kako bi bila dobra ideja da napravi video za nju. Tokom snimanja čula je neke zvukove i izašla da istraži.
Something outside, right? Don't worry. Hello? Who's there? Who is it? I know you're out there. Might have just been a fox or something. Right?
Oh my god, what was that?
Who's there? Sorry, get inside! Get inside! Get inside! Sorry. Go lock the doors! Go lock the doors! Go to the front door! Go to the front door! And lock that door! Lock that door. Sally, get to your room. Think whatever it was. Oh!
Ovo je veoma jeziv video koji navodno prikazuje Eyeless Jacka. Daniel koji je postavio ovaj video govori kako je nešto u ormaru. Pogledajte.
Like, I swear to God there's something in my closet. This just keeps making noise. I don't know if y'all like heard that or anything, but I swear. I know, like, look. Oh my God. There's like no one doing that. That's what? Do. Oh my God. Okay, I know I'm not crazy. Just happened the past 4 nights. Everyone keeps saying I'm crazy.
Ako pogledate bliže, možete zapravo vidjeti lice unutar ormara.
Oh my